1959, the peak of the jet age. Now, just a rusty memory. But beneath the dirt, the king still lives.
It's heavy, huge, and completely destroyed.
Twin bullet lights, an icon of design. The air ride suspension collapsed long ago.
The body is battered, the chrome is gone.
The interior is a disaster zone.
Let's dig this dinosaur out.
And separation.
Time to separate the body from the frame.
Straightening these fins is delicate work.
Look at the amount of chrome on this thing.
The glass is history.
Cleaning out decades of mud.
If the fins aren't straight, the car isn't right.
It's a massive project, literally.
Structural work done. Now for the rust.
The structure is saved. Now we strip it.
Peeling back the layers of time.
Into the chemical bath.
We need that long hood perfectly flat.
Raw, cold metal. The canvas is ready.
There are hundreds of tiny squares in this grill.
Sanding a car this big takes patience.
Sharp details matter.
Checking the fit before painting.
Polishing the fins to a razor edge.
Washing away the chemicals. Bringing back the mirror finish. Crafting new glass. Ready for the booth.
Ready for the booth.
Mixing wood rose, the most iconic 1959 color. Laying down that Classel pink. Clear coat for that showroom depth.
White interior to match the pink body.
It goes on smooth like silk. The steering wheel is a work of art.
The color is vibrant and rich.
hand painting the stainless steel trim.
Baking the finish.
The name says them all.
You can see your reflection in it.
Whack on, whack off.
No smudges allowed.
Radio up.
Final details.
It looks like candy.
Flawless. Flawless.
A masterpiece of chrome and steel. Cruising in comfort.
Big, bold, and beautiful.
Every detail restored to perfection. The pinnacle of American luxury. The 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Ladies and gentlemen,
Let's hit the showroom.
Just look at those lines.
A land yacht in all its glory.
The king has returned.
Job done. Time to show it off.